Hi guys, happy Sunday and I hope you're having an awesome Valentine's Day. So what I'm going to do today guys is that I'm going to go ahead and prepare steamed fish Jamaican style. I'm going to serve that with some sweet potato salad and Irish potato salad. So sit back, relax and enjoy. So guys, what I did was to go ahead and do a pre-prep, so I have everything ready. So I've cut up my yams, my Irish potato, my sweet potato, I have my eggs, I have my coconut milk ready, I have my mixed vegetable that I'm going to use for my salad, I have my ground seasoning, I have my fish, my pumpkins, everything is ready. So let's go guys. So first I'm going to start by going ahead to boil my Irish potato and my sweet potato to go ahead and make my salad today. So guys, I'm gonna boil these to the point where they are still solid but cooked. So you don't want to get it too soft, you don't want to overcook them, you want to get them to the point where they're still solid but they are cooked and edible. Great guys, so I've gone ahead as well and I've boiled my egg and I'm gonna go ahead and add this to my salad. So I've cut up my eggs and I'm gonna go ahead and add it to both my salad. I'm gonna also add with this a teaspoon of margarine or butter and I'm gonna mix that together. Once I go ahead and mix the eggs, the margarine together, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna have this season. I'm gonna add some black pepper, some all-purpose, as well as a little bit of thyme to the mix as well, and get everything seasoned and nice and wonderful. And once it is done, it's gonna look like this. It looks lovely guys. So I've prepared that. I'm gonna put that away and I'm gonna go to our main course, which is our steamed fish. And as I said, steamed fish, but Jamaican style. Awesome. My salads are looking yummy. So great guys, so I have my fish ready. So I cleaned my fish, washed them with vinegar. So I am ready to go. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm just gonna season the fish a little bit because I don't want it to be bland. So I'm gonna put a little bit of seasoning on it. So what I did was to put some Maggi fish seasoning on the fish so that it doesn't taste bland once I go ahead and season. Right, so I have my coconut milk ready. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add my coconut milk to my skillet and I'm gonna boil that a little bit. Awesome. Great. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna add my carrots, my yams, my Irish potato to my coconut milk because I want everything to boil together. Just a point of note though, I pre-cooked this before I went ahead and added it to the coconut milk because you know they take a little long to boil, so I pre-cooked them first. I'm gonna go ahead also and add my pumpkins that I cut up as well. These were also pre-cooked as well. So great guys, I'm just gonna let everything boil up together and simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes. Great guys, so once I go ahead and let that simmer for 2 to 3 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add my ground seasoning. So I'm gonna add my onions, my pepper, my sweet pepper, my thyme, my scallion, everything that I had cut up. Great guys, so I've gone ahead and I've added those and I'm gonna stir that in. So once I've gone ahead and I've added those, I'm gonna let this boil together because I want everything to come together. I'm gonna let that boil together for another 2 to 3 minutes as well. Great, because I want everything to boil together. I want to get all the flavors in. Everything in this dish is important, so you have to let everything come together. Wonderful. So I let it simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes and this is what it looks like now, right? So that yellow look that you're seeing there comes from the pumpkin that I added. Great, so I've gone ahead and I've added my rye plantain in. Guys, the rye plantain, why I've added it at this time is that the rye plantain don't take long to cook, right? So you're gonna add this before you add your fish, right? Because the fish takes about 3 minutes to steam, so the fish doesn't take long to steam. and the right plant doesn't take long to cook, so that would be the opportune time to add them. So great guys, so I've seasoned this a little bit, so I've added some all-purpose and some fish seasoning. Some people season this with cock soup, you can, right? Because the cock soup, gives you great flavor as well. It's up to you. I added pumpkin, so I don't see the need to add cock soup today. Wonderful. Great guys, it's looking lovely. The smell is awesome. Great guys. So I'm just gonna let this simmer a little bit, stay for about a minute and a half, right? Because I want, as usual, me, I want to get everything together. Guys, it's looking lovely, it's looking awesome right now. Look at that color, right? Look at the body, it's awesome right now. And the coconut milk gives this dish an awesome aroma. Great. So I've gone ahead now and I've added my fish to the mix. Great guys. So what I'm done is trying to submerge the fish in the mixture because you want it to steam with all the flavor. As I said guys, fish does not take long to steam. It takes about 3 to 5 minutes the most. So it doesn't take a long time. You don't want to overcook the fish. So you have to watch it. Great guys, so once I let it steam for about 3 to 5 minutes, I got ahead and I turned them on the other side, right? They are almost there. Just want to get all the flavors in, so I'm just pouring some of the mixture on top of the fish. I just want to get all the mixtures in, because I'm going to take this off right now because as I said, I'm not going to overcook the fish. But guys, look at it, it looks awesome, and I can tell you it smells awesome as well. But guys, I've gone ahead and I've collated it. It looks awesome and it smells awesome. So everything is there. You can see the plantain, you can see the the gravy is awesome, right? And you can see my Irish potato and sweet potato salad, which are looking lovely as well, and gives this dish awesome. So guys, I'm gonna serve this with I'm gonna dig into this with some sauerkraut juice that I made earlier. Great guys. So I'm telling you, I'm gonna enjoy this right now. It looks lovely. So as I said before guys, please comment, please like, please share, tell a friend to tell a friend. Guys, our goal is to get to 300 subscribers. We want to get to 300 subscribers so we can go ahead and give you guys a giveaway. So help us to get to 300. Tell a friend to tell a friend. We have great content here. This dish look awesome, and you can cook this any day of the week. So guys, as I said, you're awesome, and thanks for watching.